Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is organising the top of my wardrobe. I've got organisations for it and I'm going to show you a before and after of what I've done, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'll show you the clip of before and how the process is going. I've actually purchased these organisations for the top of the wardrobe. I actually got them from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. That's it guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will try and leave links in the description box below for you guys, but without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.